Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Z Flip 4 Bosnia carrier has leaked every single detail about the device. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, we are just 2 days away from Samsung Unpacked event, but that does not mean the leaks are coming to an end. Bosnian carrier Amtel went ahead and listed the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Z Flip 4 foldables for early reservation and revealed their core specs and few other details. The page was taken down relatively quickly, but deleting stuff off the internet is no simple affair. The two phones will go open sales for August 27. Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be bringing 7.6 inch of dynamic 120Hz AMOLED main display. The foldable is also expected to bring 6.2 inch of outer display, and both panels are set to bring wider aspect ratio of 21.6 by 9 by 18 and for folding screen and 23.1 by 9 for outer panel. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen chipset is in the device with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage for baseline Z Fold 4. In terms of cameras, the specs confirms a new 50MP camera around the back, alongside with a 12MP of telephoto and ultra-wide module and a 10MP selfie camera. The Z Fold 4 battery capacity is listed at 4400 mAh and is expected to charge at the same 25 watt speed. We also get the Fold 4 listed dimension, which comes out to be 158, 128 and 6mm, while the weight of the device will be 282 grams. Also, the leaks confirms the Galaxy Z Flip 4 specification. Galaxy Z Flip 4 will be getting 120Hz 6.7 inch dynamic AMOLED display with 1080 by 2640 pixel resolution. The phone is also listed with the latest flagship chipset from Qualcomm, the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, alongside with 8GB and 128GB of storage, which is again the baseline configuration. The device will be reportedly featured two 12MP cameras on the back, wide and ultra wide, just like last year model. The battery is listed as 3700 mAh capacity. So basically this is going to be in line with all those leaks and rumors, and it's confirmed that the upcoming foldable devices are coming with a few upgrades. And you guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.